Hello mga higala, for this video, I will be sharing my Ube Custard Bars. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup Bravo melted butter, 2 pieces whole eggs, and 2 tablespoons Bakersfield Ube flavor. Now for our custard, we need 2 pieces egg yolks, 1/2 cup Arla milk, 1/4 cup Bravo condensed milk, 1/8 cup cornstarch, and a teaspoon of your vanilla extract. So first, let's mix the ube butter. So in your bowl, mix in your dry ingredients, your flour, baking powder, salt, and your granulated white sugar. Make a well at the center, mix your melted butter, whole eggs, and your ube flavor. To your rubber scraper once medyo matigas na yung mixture. Then, set aside. For our custard, mix natin yung ingredients sa saucepan, your yolks, vanilla extract, milk, Bravo condensed milk, and the cornstarch. Mix this one first, tapos cook natin until mag-sticky siya. Again, cook your custard until thick or ganito yung consistency. Okay? Then, let's get our baking pan. This is 9" by 2" baking pan. Line with your aluminum foil. So, first layer will be the ube. put your custard. Spread it first with your offset spatula. Then, lagyan mo ulit ng ube. Spread mo konti si ube. Then, after kay ube, you swirl it. So, use your small knife. Then, bake this one around 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, our ube custard bars is baked already. Tapos, pinalamig ko na rin. Let's cut. Custard bars. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!